is adjective of quality. First is adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. And third, adjective of number. So what we have seen in these types, in first adjective of quality, we have seen that adjective of quality describe the noun and pronoun according to its physical features and its special feature and material, shapes, color, size, texture. Right? If we ask the question to the noun with what kind of the thing is, what kind of the thing is, so you will get the answer in adjective of quality. What kind of? Now here adjective of quantity. So here we see how much the thing is available, how much the thing is available, and how much the things which we are talking about. That means how much. If we ask the question to the noun with how much, so you will get the answer of adjective of quantity. Now the third is adjective of number. Here adjective of number, that means how many things are available. It can be in the number from 1 to 100. How many? It can be 1, 3, 5, 7, like that number you can see in this adjective of number. So here what we have done? Here we have done, if we ask the question to the noun, what kind of the thing is, so it can be red, it can be small, soft. This can be answered, we can get in adjective of quality. And here adjective of quantity, if we ask the question to the noun with how many, so you will get the answer in adjective of quantity. That means little, enough, more, like that word you can see in adjective of quantity. In adjective of number, you can see the number from 1 to 100. From number 1 to 100. And if we ask the question to the noun or pronoun with how many, so you will get the answer in number which will from the 1 to 100. Now the focus exercise is there after completing this adjective and this types of adjective. There are the exercises. First, the focus exercise is there. So I will not write this all the paragraph on the board. I know everyone is having this GE book, so you just have to underline the adjective which will be given in the paragraph. So the first paragraph I am reading. You also open the page number 26, and here the focus exercise is there. What the instruction is there? Read the film review below and underline the adjective. That means any film will be there, and some according to that film some reviews is there in this paragraph. So what we have to do in that paragraph, some sentences are there and adjective is also there. We just have to underline the adjective. I will read one sentence and I will write all the adjective on the board which will be coming in the sentences. So I am just reading. You also see and focus in your textbook. Brave is an interesting film. That means the Brave film. Here the review about the Brave film. So Brave is an interesting film with fun characters and a great story. So in this first line there are two adjectives. I am writing that adjective on the board. The first adjective is interesting. And the second one is great. These two adjectives is there in the first line. Now the second line, Princess Merida is a confident girl. She is good with a bow and arrow. Now Princess Merida is a confident girl. Now which is the next adjective is there? Confident. Confident. Now she is good with a bow and arrow. She is good. How is she? She is good. So the next adjective is good. Now next sentence, her mother Queen Eleanor tries to teach Merida proper manners a princess ought to know. Now in the next sentence, which adjective is there? Proper. Which adjective is there? Proper. I am writing this adjective on the board and you just underline there. In the paragraph which is given on the page number 26, you also read with me. I am writing the adjective on the board. You have to underline that adjective in your book. Proper manners a princess ought to know. However, Merida likes to be out shooting her bow and arrow or riding into the forest. Merida is more like her father, King Fergus, who is actually a bit proud of her abilities to hunt. Now, which adjective is there? Bit. This adjective bit means how. Sorry, here I have to write how much. So here, which adjective is this bit? We say the little bit, that means this bit is thoda ya thoda kam. So adjective of quantity is this. So the bit is there. Big and proud. You underline big and proud. Underline this interesting adjective: great, confident, good, proper, big and proud. Underline it all in your book. Now the next paragraph is there. One day the queen sends for the three tribes of the kingdom, announcing a competition in which the Lord's eldest son will compete for Merida's hand and in marriage. Now the first sentence, one day the queen sends for the three tribes of the kingdom. That means which number is there? 3. So you underline these three tribes of the kingdom, announcing a competition in which the Lord eldest son. Now which adjective is there? Again, eldest. Eldest sons will compete for Merida's hand in marriage. Now the next sentence I am reading. They soon arrived at the royal house in Scotland. How was the house? It was royal. So underline the royal adjective. They soon arrived at the royal house in Scotland, but Merida refused to accept this. She is against this old tradition. How was the what kind of tradition? Old tradition. So underline this old word also. We have underlined 3: eldest, royal and old. Now next sentence I am reading. You also focus in your book. She runs away. She finds herself entering an old witch cabin far into the forest. There she receives a magic cake that will change her destiny. What kind of cake? Magic cake. So underline this magic word also. She finds herself entering an old witch. Again, old again. So we have already underlined the old witch cabin far into the forest. There she receives a magic cake that will change her destiny. Now the next paragraph I am reading. The film is a lot more. Which adjective is there? Lot more. Lot more fun if you don't know what happens next. The magic spell in the cake creates a large problem in the kingdom. Now again the large word is there. What kind of problem? The large problem. So the large word is also there, so which is underlined that large also. And her family, in order to break the terrible curse and find her true destiny. Now, which word is there again? Terrible. Terrible curse and find her true destiny. Merida needs to show real courage. What kind of courage? Real courage. So real is also our adjective. So we have underlined here lot more. We have underlined lot more, large, terrible and real. Now the last one sentence is the film shows the importance of a loving family. What kind of family? Loving family. So this loving is our adjective. Loving family, kindness and responsibility. Loving family, kindness and responsibility. It is very interesting. Again, the interesting word. It is very interesting to see such powerful characters. What kind of characters? Powerful. Powerful character, especially that of Merida, the brave princess. Again, the word brave, this is also an adjective. So, in this paragraph, what we have done, we have underlined all the adjectives which is describing the noun or pronoun. So, which adjectives are there in the paragraph? Interesting, great, confident, good, proper, big, proud, three, eldest, royal, old, magic, lot, more, large, terrible, real, loving, interesting, powerful and brave. These all the adjectives we have underlined in the textbook. Now what you have to do? You have to put a heading Unit 8 adjective exercise focus and write down this all in your notebook. Write down this all the adjectives in your notebook. I know you have underlined in the paragraph, but you have to write down this all in your notebook also. I just wrote this one. So the question number B, in question number B, what is the instruction there? The instruction is, we have in the first focus exercise A, we have underlined all the adjective. This all are adjective. ये सब क्या है? Adjective है. Now in question number B, we have to identify the adjective which will come in size, quantity and number. Size, quantity and number. So here focus B. What one size is there? Second, quantity. Third, number. Now we have to identify the adjective which will tell us about the size, which will tell us about the quantity and which will tell us about the number. Size, quantity and number. Now first what we have to do, we have to see which adjective is telling us the size. Which adjective is there which is telling us the size? Small, large. So there is long, long and large. There is long and large. Now in the second, quantity we have to write which number is telling us about the quantity? Bit, lot more. Bit, lot more. This long, large and in size it can be small, little. Now in quantity, bit and lot more. Now the third one is number. There is only one number, 3. So for size, which adjectives are there? Long, large. For quantity, bit, lot more. And for number, 3 number is there which we have underlined. Right? So you just note down this also in your notebook. And here also at the question number B, there is the space is there beside the size. So you can write there the word long, large. And beside the quantity, bit, lot more, and beside the number write down 3 like this. Now I just love this one. I hope you have written this all the adjectives in your notebook. Now the practice exercise is there. Focus we have completed. Now what is there in the practice exercise? Practice exercise A. Underline adjectives and state their kind. Some sentences are there. We have to underline the adjectives and we have to write there which type of that adjective. That means the adjective is coming in adjective of quality, whether it is adjective of quantity or whether it is adjective of number. First, we have to underline the adjective. Exercise practice. The first sentence, he came first in the race. So, it is done already. He came first in the race. So, the first word is an adjective and this first is adjective of number. Which type? The adjective of this is the type of adjective of number. So I am just writing here on the board. He came first in the race. Now here we have to underline the adjective. This first is the adjective and it is adjective of number. It is adjective of number. Now the second is, my house has 4 rooms. My house has 4 rooms. Now which adjective is there? There is adjective which is that 4. So this is also coming in adjective of number. Which type of adjective it is? It is also adjective of number. Right? So this first and 1 to 100 number, this all comes in the adjective of number. So this is also adjective of number and this first is also adjective of number. Now let's see the third sentence. The golden watch is mine. The golden watch is mine. So which adjective is there? There is the word golden. There is the word golden and this is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Now the fourth one. The tall boy is playing big. The tall boy is playing big. So this is which adjective is there? Tall. Which adjective is there? Tall. This is also the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Now the fifth one. There is very little sugar very little sugar. There is very little sugar in my tea. So which type of adjective this is? First we have to underline the adjective. This is little. So this little is telling us about the adjective of quantity. So this is the last one is I am writing here adjective of quantity. Quantity. So you just note down this all in your notebook. Note down this all in your notebook. So here we have completed focus exercise A and B and the practice exercise A. You note down this in your notebook. Now in our next video we will see the practice exercise B and the extension exercise. So today we just have covered the exercise focus A and B and the practice A exercise. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.